just leaving work, and it's so weird. The birds in the wintertime, they all come down here. So I don't know if you can hear them over the traffic. Let's go. They're in those trees over there. But it's like this every night in the cold weather up north. All the birds come down here. And they are so weird. It reminds me of the Hitchcock movie. Sometimes you'll see them by the, like at intersections, just like flying around. You can't see them, but you can hear them. Look in that. Look at all the poop. They pooped the whole sidewalk because they're all in that tree. They've been eating and pooping. I'm not walking under there. I'll go this way. Oh, you see them flying around up there? I don't know what kind of birds they are. But it honestly makes me think every time I see them or hear them, I don't know if you could see them flying around up there. Probably not. I just saw them fly around a little bit. You could see their silhouettes. They're getting ready to go to sleep. That's their little chat. I wonder if I can put a light on. There's a light up here. Well, I had the light on, but I don't think it lights up the tree. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm filming. They're in all these trees. Oh, I figure when I hear them, it's like they're chit-chatting with each other. Look, it looks like there's a bird feeder in there. Yeah, there is. Somebody put a bird feeder. Maybe you could see that. Well, it's like a little bird feeder, so maybe somebody likes them. I can't get in close enough. Is this even filming? I might have run out of camera film. I mean, I hope I don't get pooped on. They're in all the trees over here for some reason. But anyway, so that's that. One day when I'm by an intersection, like just before it gets dark, now it's a little too dark, you'll see them flying around slowly, but hundreds of them at intersections, especially if there's like a fast food place or, restaurants and stuff, strip malls. They make nests inside the letters on the sides of buildings, like for example, see over there it says 800. Well, maybe you can't see it. They'll make little nests inside letters if they're sticking out enough. Let me run across here. A second. Oh my gosh. I hope I don't get hurt. Like, there's an example. They probably wouldn't make one. You look they're in all the trees. I can hear them over here too. See that 800 there, for example? I mean, that's not sticking out far enough, so they're not going to make nests in there. But sometimes you'll go into strip malls and the letters will be sticking out enough so that they can make a nest on top of the letters. It's so cute. Sometimes it's cute. Like if it's a chickadee. Once I saw a little chickadee family in a letter on the side of a nice restaurant here in Brickell. But it's not cute, I guess, if they do it too much. This is Brickell at night. Well, 6-ish. It's about 6:15. I just left work. Friday I leave work late. And so this is rush hour Friday. They still have Christmas lights up. It's already January 8th. But, well, some places have the Christmas lights in quotes up all year because they just decorate the trees. But It's cool. Miami's pretty cool. If you could come down for a weekend, maybe you're not going to find cheap hotels. I mean, you will find cheap hotels, but they'll be kind of scary. Anyway.